Hey guys, it's Kate here and welcome back to another video, and today we'll be again continuing on from this video right here, the useless web. By the way, comment if you like my new logo kind of thing. It's a blue mushroom. It used to actually be my computer background, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we're going to be continuing on from the useless web series. Let's go. Take me to another useless website, please. Let's go. Oh, I has a bucket. No, they be taking my bucket. I've seen this meme before. I has a bucket. No, they be stealing my bucket. I've seen that before. That one's really good. I like that one. It's really funny. And if you guys are wondering what time it is, it's 5:30 in the morning. I accidentally just woke my brother up, so yeah. Let's go to another useless website. What's this useless website gonna be? That? I don't like that. That's just weird. Plain weird. No, it's about the same people. I already saw that one. So. Well, it's just corn dogs. Yes. Is my computer on.com? Is my computer on.com? Yes. Awesome. Nice job. Seeing this. I am a ninja. Is it just... That is smart. They wrote in black, I am a ninja, and they put the background black. So ready? You just grab it, ready? Watch this. Haha. I am a ninja, copy. Paste. I am a ninja. That's pretty cool. It's pretty stupid though. But yeah, it's still, yeah, it's alright, yeah. What's this? That's weird. Just take me to another useless website, please. Oh, ready? I know this one. So if you put your mouse cursor like on here, it's going to find a picture of someone pointing directly at your mouse. Ready? Watch this. Up here. See, they're all pointing to my mouse. What about here? What about right here, right in the middle? Ready? I can hack the system. What if we just for now I'm gonna put you guys right there. Okay, I'm done here now. Yeah, by the way, while I'm recording, I can just move all of this around. You can just move it all around. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it down there so I can see this. Ready? Watch this. I can beat the system. Do you think they can find it? Let's see if they can find it all the way up here. Ready? Let's see if they can find it up there. Yes! They didn't find it. What if I put it just in there? They'll probably find it now. How come they still can't find it? What? That's crazy. What right here? That's like a proper finger pointing to it. Let's go right in the middle again, see if there's a different picture. Nope, same picture. And now if we go up here, it's going to be those people pointing at the mountains. They're going to go, yeah, see? I know this stuff because I use YouTube. I do a shabadoo. Yeah. Ah. Oh, yep, they found it again. Oh, wow. As you guys know, I hurt my hand pretty bad. It's kind of floppy. What? What if I just click on it? That's literally directly on it. Let's see if I can move it so it's directly. So if it should be like there. Let's see if that's it. There. Let's see if that's good. That's like exactly. It's a different picture if I move one little step. It's a different picture. If I move up one little bit, it's a different picture. That's weird. Okay. I was having way too much fun on that. Let's go to a different useless website. The useless web. IamAwesome.com. It's true. I need to copy it. Then I need to paste it. Then pull up what if I just go like this, then will it be found? Page doesn't exist. Now this page exists. What? Okay, let's just go here and right click and paste. IamAwesome.com. It's true. Okay, yep. That's funny, I guess. So just click the button, please. Okay. This one actually looks pretty cool. Oh, I forgot you get to explode the big apple. You can click on them and they explode. That's cool. You can explode the big ones, but not any of the little ones. George, that's crazy. I'm having a lot of fun. Too much fun. For a 10-year-old, just clicking on some circles. Okay, I'm having too much fun. Let's go to the next one. Okay. YesNoIf.com. Yes, no if? Is this another one of those things? No. Whoa, this one's, you can click on it. If you click on it, it makes it smaller. What happens if you keep clicking on the exact same? That's crazy. That looks so cool. That looks crazy. That's awesome. I actually like that one. That one's pretty cool. Got about time for about 2 more. What? What? That's cool. That's crazy. Okay. Got time for about I'm doing a video. There, see? A video. It's a YouTube video. For YouTube. Yeah. I can show you later if you want. Yeah, I'll show you later. Okay, guys, let's click on play. Cruiser. Okay. Well, guys, it's been a pleasure for this video, but so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, punch that like button in the face, please. And let's see if we can hit 3 likes in my second video ever. Okay, let's see if we can hit 3 likes. Thank you guys, and I'll see all you guys in the next video. Bye!